Have you ever wondered how you can make money with ChatGPT? Welcome to the exciting world of artificial intelligence technology, where opportunities to monetize are only limited by your imagination. ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model, opens up a plethora of avenues to enhance business operations and generate revenue. From understanding consumer behavior to creating personalized chatbot experiences, the potential is vast. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we explore various methods to turn ChatGPT into a lucrative business opportunity. Firstly, you can use ChatGPT to understand consumer behavior. This AI tool allows you to gather valuable insights from customer interactions, helping you refine your business offerings. By understanding consumer behavior through ChatGPT, you can create more effective marketing strategies. Another method is offering ChatGPT as a service to other businesses. This concept, known as bots as a service, or BaaS, allows you to create custom chatbots for various use cases, like customer support or lead generation. With BaaS, you can provide tailor-made solutions that meet the specific needs of different businesses. Next, you can use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. By embedding affiliate links within chatbot responses, you can recommend relevant products or services. When users purchase these, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing with ChatGPT allows you to monetize your chatbot interactions. You can also use ChatGPT for content creation. Picture this: generating blog posts, social media updates, even product descriptions for e-commerce sites, all done swiftly and smartly by ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, content creation is not only easy, but also profitable. Consider offering consulting and training services. Imagine yourself as an AI whisperer, guiding businesses to master the art of chatbot conversation. You'll be optimizing their strategies, boosting user engagement, and transforming their customer experience. As an AI consultant, you can help businesses unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. So as we've seen, there are numerous ways to make money with ChatGPT. From gaining insights into consumer behavior that can shape your business strategy, to offering ChatGPT as a service to other businesses, the opportunities are truly abundant. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing. By integrating affiliate links within chatbot responses, you're essentially creating a new revenue stream. Content creation is another avenue to explore. ChatGPT can generate blog posts, social media content, or product descriptions, which you can offer as a service. Perhaps you fancy yourself as an AI consultant. Help businesses implement chatbots effectively, optimize their conversational strategies, and improve user engagement. The versatility and potential of ChatGPT for monetization is impressive. It's a tool that can be adapted to various business models and industries. With these strategies in hand, you are well equipped to turn ChatGPT into a profitable venture. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the possibilities today.